with the news that One Star Racing Guy is out. There'll be a little card in the top right hand corner if you want to see that one. We now have the news that One Star Racing Guy is back in, and that is Nate Thrasher, who we have not seen since round 2, where he finished 11th overall. And he posted afterwards that he bent a plate for a broken collarbone that he was racing with a crash. Well, good news is, because of his second round win, was it second round? Second round win in Supercross in San Diego, he secured himself at least a spot in the LCQ for the SMX playoffs. But as points worked out, he finished exactly 20th in the standings. So no LCQs have to be raced for him. No, extra races, no worry, anything. He is 20th. He is in. And this will be the first SMX playoffs that he has been a part of, I guess you'd want to call it, where last year, 2023, he crashed in Atlanta, which took him out of the whole season. So he never raced, or didn't race last year. And he did a posting on Instagram saying, quote, "We've been putting in the work since surgery and off the bike, on and off the bike, sorry. I'm excited to go racing this weekend in Charlotte and kick off the SMX playoffs on a high note. Let's go have some fun. See y'all there." Obviously, big team, big names. He should be a contender for, in normal circumstances, let's put it that way. In a season where he's not injured, he should be a title contender, at least a podium runner, top 5 for sure, depending on how things work out. But obviously, coming out of a whole season of not racing, all outdoors, you know, who knows? He could come in and be super quick because he's healthy and not tired like everybody else after, 2 full seasons, supercross and motocross. Or he could be flat because he's not up to race speed like everybody else. Either way, it's still good news because, another big name, one of the factory boys, getting back racing. Obviously, as I always say, more people in the racing, more competitive, the better the product, the better it's going to be to watch. And we'll see how it goes. But that's what I leave for you guys. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. Is he going to be top 10, top 5, podium? Is he going to be completely off the radar and just kind of rolling around out there? Who knows? That's why I'm asking you. Comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.